Ravioli al Uovo.
Nice! I love this dish.
Have you made this dish before, Bobby?
I have. I like this dish. I'm gonna make ravioli al uovo carbonara with pancetta and anchovy breadcrumbs on top. I mean, carbonara, it's one of the best dishes in the world. My pasta dough is flour, eggs, and some egg yolks. You really should let it rest for at least an hour, but unfortunately, I'm gonna have about 15 minutes. I'll take what I can get. I always think of this as your dish.
This is my dish.
This is your signature.
What are you putting in your filling?
I'm basically doing sort of a carbonara. So it's ricotta, Parmigiano, and egg yolks in the filling. And then I have some pancetta and breadcrumbs on top. Anchovies, lemon, parsley. The classics.
Yes, the Roberto Flay classics. Bobby, on the flip side, he's got raviolo al uovo meets a carbonara.
Here's the thing, Bobby. Women love musicians.
Then I have no shot.
That's why I brought you a Kentucky kazoo. This is for you. You're welcome. Oh my God. Oh, bless your heart. Have you never used a kazoo
No.
before? Bobby, hold on, let me just
I'm
teach
from the
you
streets
real
of New
quick.
York. We don't have kazoos. Stop talking to me.
Come on, man.
I gotta roll up my pasta.
How does Bobby's pasta look?
It looks kind of crumbly.
He's making the little nests that the egg yolks are going to sit in.
My God, why are these all breaking?
Oh, what was that?
Very delicate eggs around here. It's not a big deal if they break because they're gonna break anyway, but the idea is that you want them to cook evenly.
How are you feeling? Are you having a little bit of trouble?
I think I'm gonna be okay.
All right, you've got 11 minutes.
I really did not know that. I'm working on a quick brown butter and pancetta sauce. It's the pancetta fat, brown butter, and that's gonna go over the raviolo.
You want the yolk to be hot and warm, but runny, so you don't
Yeah.
want that yolk cooked. Ooh, he's going right from the pasta water to the plate. He's not cooking the ravioli in the sauce.
I could put it in the brown butter, but I'm afraid they're gonna break. So I put it into the bowl, put the brown butter sauce over the ravioli.
That's like a cardinal no-no. You always cook your pasta in the sauce.
A little bit of pecorino cheese, some pancetta, and the anchovy breadcrumbs on top.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. That's it, hands up, you're done.
Looks pretty good. I mean, let's see what the egg yolks look like.